Hello, today we are going to learn the names of things you'd find on a construction site. Wheelbarrow. This is used to move around heavy objects. Cement mixer. I'm used to mix up cement for builders to use. Hard hat. You need to wear this so if anything heavy falls onto your head is protected. Toolbox. I'm used to store and carry tools. Cone. I'm used to section off different areas. Dump truck. A dump truck is used for transporting materials and waste. Thank you for watching. Please let us know in the comments what flashcards you'd like to learn next. Don't forget to like and subscribe.